this video, I'll show you how to add payments to a BASE44 app. If you built an app and want to start accepting payments from users, customers, or clients, BASE44 makes it easy to connect Stripe and create a checkout flow without building the full payment system manually. First, open your web browser and log into your BASE44 account. Once you're inside your dashboard, select the app where you want to add payments. Before setting anything up, make sure your app is already structured properly, with the product, service, subscription, or feature you want to charge for clearly added inside the app. Next, open the BASE44 editor and use the AI chat to set up payments. You can type a prompt like, "Add Stripe payments to this app so users can buy my product," or create a checkout flow for customers to pay inside my app. BASE44 will understand that you want to monetize the app and will start preparing the Stripe payment integration. After that, BASE44 may ask you to install or connect Stripe. Follow the instructions shown inside the editor and continue with the setup. In most cases, BASE44 will first create a test payment environment, which means you can safely test the payment flow before charging real customers. Now, tell BASE44 what you want to sell. This could be a digital product, physical product, subscription, membership, service, premium feature, or paid access to part of your app. Include the product name, price, currency, and whether the payment should be one-time or recurring. For example, you can ask BASE44 to create a monthly subscription, a one-time purchase, or a simple checkout button. Once the payment flow is created, review how it appears inside your app. Check the checkout button, pricing page, product page, confirmation screen, and any user access rules connected to the payment. If something looks wrong, ask BASE44 to adjust it, such as changing the price, updating the button text, improving the checkout page, or redirecting users after payment. Next, publish your app so you can test the payment flow on the live version. This part is important because payment testing may not work properly inside the editor preview. Open the published app link and go through the checkout process like a real customer. Use Stripe test mode to run a test payment. This allows you to confirm that the checkout opens correctly, the payment is processed in the test environment, and the app responds properly after the purchase. Make sure the user gets access to the right page, product, download, feature, or confirmation message after paying. After testing everything, connect your real Stripe account when you're ready to accept live payments. Follow the Stripe connection steps inside BASE44 and complete any required business verification in Stripe. Once your live Stripe account is connected, your app will be able to process real transactions. Before sharing the app publicly, test the full customer experience one more time. Check the payment button, checkout page, confirmation page, email flow, and any locked content or paid feature inside the app. You want to make sure the payment process feels smooth and professional from start to finish. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add payments to a BASE44 app. The main steps are simple. Open your app, ask BASE44 to add Stripe payments, create your product or subscription, test the checkout flow, connect your live Stripe account, and publish the app when everything is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more BASE44 no-code AI tools and app building tutorials.